welcome to the channel. This may be my last video made. I love sharing content to one and all, and that is what we love to do. You may or may not notice the changes, but the changes are going to come. You may see my playlists and my videos show a different type of view. A new plan, a new strategy, and a different way of doing things. Over the years, of all the videos I made are of home videos, car videos, sharing to the world my personal videos. If you like what you see on the channel, enjoy what you watch, continue on, and I'd love to share more. And that's what my channel's all about, fun and sharing to the world, and I hope to see you on many, many more videos to come. So please, join me on my adventure, join me on my journey. Please rate, comment, show that love. You all have a great day and catch you on the next journey that YouTube brings us. Have a great day, everybody.